Hey Rob, my name's Christian. I'm with RenGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency. I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you some free tips and tricks you can use to increase your online presence on your own. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow and Realtor.com, Trulia, any of those. And your website can actually bring you leads that are exclusive. So there's less competition. You're not fighting with other Zillow realtors who are all paying, whoever's paying the most money gets the leads, or, junk leads. So here we go. I found your Facebook page. I don't think you have a website of your own, but it does look like you work for Hayes Home Team at Keller Williams. So I have their website pulled up here. Couple things I want to talk about: content, citations, and backlinks. The first being content. Google loves content. So the more content you have, the more value you're providing to the internet, and the higher you're going to rank. The more visible your website's going to become because the more value you're bringing to the world. And so the thing to keep in mind is that content isn't just the words on your website. It's also the photos and how the photos are saved, and alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles, so on and so forth. And so the Hayes Home Team does have, a nicely laid out website here with photos and stuff, but how many leads are coming through this website and people are calling you that said, hey, I found your website, HayesHomeTeam.com, and they found you and they're coming directly to you. These are probably being shared with other realtors. And, have you ever gotten a phone call from this website? I don't know. Only you know that. But the thing is, you want to make sure to have, as far as content goes, minimum 1,500 words on any page you're trying to rank. So if you do decide to get your own website, you're going to want to have 1,500 words minimum on your buy page, 1,500 words minimum on your sell page. You're going to want to make sure all your photos are saved as buyer intent keywords. So a lot of times photos are saved as whatever the computer comes up with for them to be saved as. A lot of times it's just like random letters and numbers. You don't want that. So you want all your photos to be saved as buyer intent keywords, because search engines actually read how the photo is saved on the back end and rank for those words. So that's very important. This website doesn't have 1,500 words from what I can tell on any of these pages, but obviously, are you getting leads from it or not? So if you are, then, I'm wrong, but I don't think you are. So, maybe this page has 100 words, 300 max. So when you do decide to get your own website, or if you can influence the people who are in control of this website, you're going to want to get some more content. You're going to want to save your photos the right way. Next is citation. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed. So I typed in Austin, Texas Realtors. We got Realty Austin, we got Coldwell Banker, we got Texas Realty. I didn't see Hayes Home Team, but what a citation is, like I said, is anywhere your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. So that would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Chamber of Commerce. All those are going to give you citations. They're going to help you rank. I did notice on your Facebook page, it looks like you're on like Instagram and Twitter and all those. You got your own YouTube channel, and so you're well on your way. But when you type in Austin, Texas Realtors, we got these companies come up. You can actually be here as an individual agent. So even though you're not a brokerage, you can actually be here as your own agent. And you're not. So, like, as you can see, we have Eric Bramlett. We got Paula Presley, Kane Realty. So you can build your own Google My Business page, and you can rank up here, and that's really what you want to do. So those guys are here. And so what I wanted to do is show you, you actually do have a Google My Business page, Hayes Home Team. Like I said, I'm not sure if you're the broker, or if if you're just a member of this team, but either way, your guy's name was not on the first page when I typed in Austin, Texas Realtors. It goes to show you something. But we do recommend having 25 reviews. You have 29 reviews. You do have a completed profile. So you're definitely going to want to go in and save your photos the right way. It looks like you do have the minimum number, which is 10. You got well over 10 photos. Just how they're saved is very important. But I wanted to show you, so like Sean Bell, Realty of Austin, right? So he has his own, and he's actually in the map pack. But yet he's only got 3 reviews and 1 photo. So he's got some citations, that's for sure. But basically, I just wanted to show you that you can have your own Google My Business page, and I would highly recommend getting one because you're going to get leads from it. I mean, if you're in this page, someone's going to call you. Sean Bell is paying for an ad, but he's down here too. So, somebody's, you want to be here. This is really where you want to be. But let's see here. Last thing is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere that your website is at on the internet. So anywhere that HayesHomeTeam.com is at is going to give you a backlink. You guys have 81 backlinks from 24 referring domains. But if you notice, your domain rating is a 21 out of 100. So that's way less than what it should be. The thing to keep in mind is that not all backlinks are created equal, and you want to make sure your backlinks are coming from reputable sites that are not spammy. That's what's going to raise your domain rating, and that's what's going to rank you. So you can think of your domain rating as visibility, as power. And so you just want to make sure that your backlinks are coming from not spammy sites that are relevant. Other than that, I hope that this video finds you well. I hope that you're staying safe out there, and that you can take the time to either implement these tips and tricks into your current website, or get your own website to bring you some new leads. If you have any questions or comments or feedback, please do feel free to get in touch with us. And other than that, thank you very much for watching.